Day 13, Turkish Cuisine. Breakfast, Menemen, Turkish scrambled eggs with vegetables. Ingredients: 4 large eggs, 2 large tomatoes, diced 1 green bell pepper, chopped 1 small onion, finely chopped, 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 tablespoons olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, chopped. For garnish, instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Heat the olive oil on the griddle. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Add the chopped bell pepper and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Stir in the diced tomatoes and minced garlic. Cook until the tomatoes are softened and most of the liquid has evaporated. In a bowl, whisk the eggs with salt and pepper. Pour over the vegetable mixture and cook, stirring gently until the eggs are just set. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley. Simit, Turkish sesame bagels. Ingredients: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon sugar, 1 packet active dry yeast, 3/4 cup warm water, 1/4 cup molasses, 1/4 cup water, 1 cup sesame seeds. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the warm water, sugar, and yeast. Let it sit for 5 minutes until foamy. Add the flour and salt to the yeast mixture. Knead until a soft dough forms. Cover and let rise for 1 hour. Preheat your oven to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, 230 degrees Celsius. Punch down the dough and divide it into 6 balls. Roll each ball into a rope and shape into a ring. In a small bowl, mix the molasses and water. Dip each ring into the molasses mixture. Then coat with sesame seeds. Place the rings on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until golden brown. Serve warm. Lunch lentil. Soup, mercimek çorbası. Ingredients: 1 cup red lentils, rinsed 1 large onion, chopped 1 large carrot, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 6 cups vegetable broth, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 2 tablespoons olive oil. Lemon wedges for serving, fresh mint leaves for garnish. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Heat the olive oil in a large pot on the griddle. Add the chopped onion, carrot, and minced garlic. Cook until softened. Stir in the tomato paste, ground cumin, paprika, salt, and pepper. Add the rinsed lentils and vegetable broth. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 25 to 30 minutes until the lentils are tender. Blend the soup until smooth using an immersion blender. Serve hot with lemon wedges and garnish with fresh mint leaves. Lahmacun, Turkish pizza. Ingredients: 1 pound ground lamb or beef, 1 large onion, finely chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 2 large tomatoes, diced 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground paprika, salt and pepper to taste, 4 pieces of flatbread or pita bread. Instructions: preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. In a bowl, mix the ground meat, chopped onion, minced garlic, diced tomatoes, chopped parsley, ground cumin, ground paprika, salt and pepper. Spread a thin layer of the meat mixture over each piece of flatbread. Place the flatbreads on the griddle and cook for 5 to 7 minutes until the meat is cooked through and the bread is crispy. Serve hot with lemon wedges. Doner Kebab. Ingredients: 1 pound boneless lamb or beef, thinly sliced 1/4 cup olive oil, 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 2 cloves garlic, minced 1 teaspoon ground cumin, 1 teaspoon ground coriander, 1 teaspoon paprika, salt and pepper to taste, flatbread or pita bread, sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, and onions, tzatziki sauce. Instructions: in a bowl, mix the olive oil, lemon juice, minced garlic, ground cumin, ground coriander, paprika, salt, and pepper. Add the sliced meat and marinate for at least 1 hour. Preheat your gas griddle to medium-high heat. Cook the marinated meat on the griddle until browned and cooked through. Serve the meat in flatbread or pita bread with sliced tomatoes, cucumbers, onions, and tzatziki sauce. Stuffed eggplant, imambayildi. Ingredients: 4 small eggplants, 1 large onion, finely chopped 2 large tomatoes, chopped 2 cloves garlic, minced 1/4 cup olive oil, 1/4 cup chopped fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon sugar, salt, and pepper. To taste, lemon wedges for serving. Instructions: Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Slice the eggplants in half lengthwise and scoop out some of the flesh to create a cavity. Sprinkle with salt and let sit for 30 minutes to remove bitterness. Rinse and pat dry. Preheat your gas griddle to medium heat. Heat the olive oil in a skillet on the griddle. Add the chopped onion and cook until softened. Add the chopped tomatoes, minced garlic, chopped parsley, sugar, salt, and pepper. Cook for another 5 to 7 minutes. Stuff the eggplants with the tomato mixture and place them in a baking dish. Drizzle with a little more olive oil. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until the eggplants are tender. Serve hot or at room temperature with lemon wedges. Dessert baklava. Ingredients: 1 package phyllo dough, thawed 2 cups chopped walnuts, 1 teaspoon ground cinnamon, 1 cup butter, melted 1 cup honey, 1/2 cup water, 1/2 cup sugar, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. Instructions: preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius. In a bowl, mix the chopped walnuts and ground cinnamon. Brush a 9 by 13-inch baking dish with melted butter. Layer half of the phyllo dough, brushing each sheet with butter. Spread a thin layer of the walnut mixture. Repeat layers until all the nuts and phyllo are used, ending with a layer of phyllo. Cut into diamond shapes. Bake in the preheated oven until golden brown and crisp, about 50 minutes. In a saucepan, combine honey, water, sugar, and vanilla extract. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. Pour the hot syrup over the baklava. Let cool completely before serving. Turkish Delight. Lokum. Ingredients: 4 cups sugar, 4.5 cups water, 1 teaspoon cream of tartar, 1 cup cornstarch, 1 teaspoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon rose, water 1/2 cup, powdered sugar, 1/4 cup cornstarch for dusting. Instructions: in a saucepan, combine sugar, 1/2 cup water, and lemon juice. Bring to a boil and simmer until the mixture reaches 240 degrees Fahrenheit or 115 degrees Celsius on a candy thermometer. In another saucepan, combine 1 cup cornstarch, cream of tartar, and 3 cups water. Cook over medium heat, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens. Gradually add the sugar syrup to the thickened cornstarch mixture, stirring continuously. Cook over low heat for 1 hour, stirring occasionally. Stir in the rose water. Pour the mixture into a greased 9 by 9-inch baking dish and let it cool completely. Mix powdered sugar and 1/4 cup cornstarch. Cut the Turkish Delight into squares and dust with the powdered sugar mixture. Serve and enjoy. Conclusion of Day 13. Today we savored the rich and aromatic flavors of Turkish cuisine with delicious recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert. From the flavorful Menemen to the sweet Turkish Delight, each dish offers a taste of Turkey's culinary heritage. When I was in Istanbul for the first time, I was surprised at how Turks treat visitors. The first breakfast was served to me by 2 colorful Turkish women, and they wanted to take me from serving to national dishes. I was very pleasantly surprised. Be sure to try Turkish coffee. Subscribe to our channel. Give a like if you enjoyed the recipes, and don't forget to check the description to get the book on Amazon. In our book, The Complete Outdoor Gas Griddle Cookbook for Beginners, you'll find even more unique recipes, tips, and tricks to master your grilling skills. Sign up on our website and be the first to receive recipe previews for our next book. Let us know in the comments which world cuisines you'd like to see featured in upcoming videos and in our future print and ebooks. Wishing you tasty and unforgettable moments in the kitchen.